Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create cPanel account in our WHM panel. Before to create cPanel account, you need to create the packages. Okay, I will provide that link on description. You can view that video or blog. You can understand how to create packages. Okay, now I am creating the account. Click on create a new account. Okay, scroll down. Here you can check your packages, everything, password, strong, everything. Okay, enter your domain name here. In this case, I am choosing oildelivery.store. Okay, automatically take username. Here you need to enter the password, but automatically password generation option also available. By clicking on here, you can generate the password. Okay, use the password. Okay, here you can choose the email. In this case, I am choosing this email. Next, scroll down. Here you can select the packages, which package you wanted to keep. Otherwise, you can select manually by clicking on this right click. Okay, here you can enter your package name, everything, but no need for us manually. Okay, I'm choosing this package. Scroll down. This is your name servers. Click on create. Okay, account has created successfully. If it is account is created, it should show green tick marks. Account is created successfully. Okay, everything here you can use password, username, everything, email. Account is done. Okay, by clicking on here, you can log in into cPanel of this account. Okay guys, thank you for watching. In next video, I will show you how to install SSL from our WHM panel. Okay guys, I hope you are like this video.